Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 25 of the Flylady's Beginner Baby Steps for getting your home and life in order. Today, we need to get dressed, to make our bed, to swish and swipe the bathroom, to do a load of laundry, which means to sort, wash, dry, fold, and put away the laundry, to put out a hot spot for 2 minutes, to look at our control journals, do a 5-minute pickup, to declutter, and to ask yourself on what we're having for dinner. In the afternoon, we need to start preparing dinner, and then we need to make sure to keep our sinks shiny, to pick out our clothes for tomorrow, and to put out another hot spot before we go to bed. Today, Flylady wants us to read her personal testimonial on how Flylady started developing her routines. I will have the testimonial link down in the description for you to read. One huge takeaway from her post is that she didn't develop these routines overnight. And one quote that I'll share from her post is that we have to forget about the things we haven't done and we need to focus on what we can do today. Keep doing the best that you can. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.